What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're playing Minecraft again. Let's create a new world. Actually, never mind. I'm just gonna play one of my own worlds it since all of my worlds need something. Need entertainment. That's why I'm gonna what's it? I don't remember where was it guys, but it's okay. I'm just gonna play another game. You know Roblox. It has been a while since I played this. So we're playing it again, but I don't know what we will play. Maybe we'll play don't mind that don't mind this. Don't mind this. It's be don't mind this. Not let's play it. Today's about to be a funny video, so let's start with a funny game. So today's game is called Survive Queso in Area 51. I played this game lately mostly with my classmate. Oh look, I forgot the slushies thing. Thank God it's open right here. I'm gonna get the Sonic skin. It doesn't hurt. Bruh. Let me drink the slushy. Yeah, I'm faster now if I drink the slush. Hey! Ooh, Queso's there. Let's go up. I'm just gonna aura farm. I don't even need to jump. Some people are lagging literally so much as to jump. Now I'm Sonic. I can go fast. I can really go fast. Nah, my slushy just went out. I know there's a queso over here. There it is. Slim queso. Help! Slim queso is chasing me. I know there's a secret over here. Classmate thought it. I was the one who definited this. I was the one who was the first to play this game. Then classmate came second. Because he loves to follow games. Especially funny ones. He likes funny ones because he's one of the most laughing classmates of all. I'm giving a creator. God, if I mention your name, that means you're part of my channel, and I'm not mention 10 names, not just 5. The Sonic is angry at me because I said 10. Okay, 5. First, Bobby. Second, Lexus. Third is gonna be it's gonna be a creative name, Ralph with the RALPH. Next is going to be Chiro. No, Chiro. Okay. Wait, did I say 5? I'm just gonna name one more. Next is going to be Bewy. I can see you, Bewy. I bet that's not even a name. I just came up for it. Never trust me with names. Could do. Wish this, please. Wait, usually I see a lot of players over here. This is a dead server. I thought that was a real person. Should I just continue the game? I wanna go inside a rocket, but there. Hey, the Sonic. Mario. Oh, you can see by there I already wanted. It's not my favorite thing. No, it isn't that my favorite thing, but I still want to go inside it. May the Robux lords smite me with Robux. Become killer. Hell no. Let's drink. Okay. I'm not faster. I see you, Queso. Don't want me to slice you. You know you can kill Quesos in this game. It's easy. Come here, Queso! Shing! Bro died. Okay, now let's... I don't care anymore. I'm just gonna join another server. Hey, this game is fun, but it's not that funny. Actually, it is funny. Look at those cringe, look at those cringe making games be like. Fulton is in that game. What do you mean, UNC edition? UNC edition? Nah. What game should we play? Color or die? No. Steal and ride a dragon. Not that fun. So, if you play this game, that means you're actually weird. The game is called... I'm still looking for it. The game is called Five Nights at Pookie's. This is a real game. No, do not even think of playing that game. By just hearing the sound, you know it's about to be a cringe game. And what should we play? Go fishing is a game. Doom's Fire modded, walk on walls. RNG fights. Did I say I'm gonna make a part 2? I don't care. Let's play RNG fights again. Yo guys. Yo. Wait, I'm just gonna grind while you all wait. Just kidding. You're not gonna wait. I know you're impatient. Just kidding. You're not impatient. You're actually the best. Actually, never mind. Okay, time to go to the store. Where is the store? Bro, there's the store. Actually, it's called a shop, not a store, but it's okay to call it a store. Laser. Ah! Bro, I just wanna buy from the store. Bro. Oh, equip. Speed shot. Okay, let's wait a minute. Okay, let's see. Shockwave. Bro, it still takes like a bajillion years to activate. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know my voice is kind of weak now. I'm coming or older, you all. Open shop, bro, lock. This is... Jesus Christ, that's long. Okay, we can roll again. A slap? Oh, for just... I'ma slap you. You dare. Hey. What the? It's all about the... What the? Ooh. Not me, not me, not me. Kai! Negros boy. Bro, it's a one shot? Anomaly. Bro, this guy. I mean you guy. Orbital strike. Can baby you can something in your yes. That's party. That's a trash one. Bro got absolutely cooked. Party. Bro! Party is trash. Bro, it takes like 10,000 business days just to raw. Oh no. No! No! Ah! Bro's backshotting me! No! Chimpanzini bananini. Wa. Chimpanzini bananini. Womp womp womp. Punch? This is a swag. Bro. Among Us? Hey, yo, Among Us? Wait, let me unfriend him. Hi, Among Us. Bro, where's Among Us? Friend. I wanna punch you, IDK. Jesus. Sorry. Ah! I'm sorry. I said sorry. Cyborg. What the freak that this the what the Sorry. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Punch. Wait, I'm gonna speak my language. Diba, sumbagon ti ka karon. Sorry if that doesn't feel familiar to you. I'm from the Philippines, not from America. Ah! Bro, I just wanna roll. Some more. Punch. Sumbag, yeah. Hello, our help. Reward. You will get up for 15 minutes. Okay. Bruh. How? It was supposed to be like doing here, then I was just like, you maniac eating noobs. Remember those old days? That's why I'm making a new video today. First, let's roll a rage. Okay, I'm a rage. I'm gonna become Goku. This is my favorite moveset because I can become Goku. No rocks. No. James the God. Don't. No. Ah! Oh, bro got absolutely clapped. Get out. Ah. Yo. I don't want to roll out of it. I just got a slap. Slapperoni slap wala. Pipi kiwi. Wah wah wah. Wait, imagine I get a very rare moves. A very rare ability. Oh, a very rare ability. That's not rare. Actually, it is rare. It's not rare, but it is very, very overpowered. Ooh, what the hell happened? Hello. Hey, yo! Hi. Death means no mercy. No mercy means death. Bruh. Rapid fire? Oh, yeah, you know what I'm gonna do. Oh, it's that one kuan thing. Did I say kuan? Oh, damn. Oh! Ah! Bruh! What did I do to you? Roll. Punch. Sumbag. Bro, imagine I get a very rare... Literally just not like seconds before, then I'll get my favorite moves. Just, what do you mean moveset? Then I'll get my favorite ability. Just wow. Ultra Punch. What am I, Saitama? What the hell? What the hell? Yeah, Evan Aura. Hey, yo, bro, got absolutely clapped. Maybe I should never ever say that again. Yo. What the movement? Yo. Bow before my presence. I have aura. Aura means aura. Dark Master. You're not the Dark Master. I am the Dark Dicker. I'm Dark Lord. Hey yo! Hey yo! Hi. Oh my god, bro got flamed. What happened? I can't summon it. Hey yo, Oh, bro! Oh! Ow! Ow! Kung ikaw ay... Ayo! What did I do to you? For I am Saitama! Okay guys, today is gonna be a fun day, so bye-bye!